Now that you know the difference between border tiles and block tiles, let's talk about the various markings on the tiles themselves. But before we do, I want you to check one more thing. If needed, I want you to pop out those plastic tabs from inside the tile crosshairs. Okay, so that was easy enough, right? And now we are ready. Of course, there is a reason for each of these markings that you're going to find, and those are outlined on page 5 of the user guide. But what I want to highlight in this video are a few key features of each tile. You'll notice that there are crosshairs and a center point. When it comes time to placing this file onto your fabric, you'll mark these areas with a water-soluble pin, and that is included in your box. Don't forget to mark the arrow found at the top, as this is going to indicate where the top of your hoop is. You'll see why that's important as we get further into the tutorials. For now, it's just important to know that the arrow is there for a reason, and you want to make sure and mark that. The second thing I want you to notice is that the name of the size on the block will be the same name of the embroidery file that you're using. But notice right here where there's this open window, when it's time to mark your quilt with your tile, don't forget to also mark the size of the block in that window. In this example, I am using a 6x6 tile, so therefore I'm going to write 6x6 in that window with my water-soluble marker. Now, why is this so important? As you'll soon see, when it comes time to removing the tile from the quilt and actually stitching out your design, you'll now have a visual reminder of what embroidery design file you'll want to load onto your machine. It all works together. The name of the tile, the name that you have written in the window, and the name of the embroidery file. It's all the same name. And it's really as simple as that. Now, other markings and why those are important will be further explained in a later video. Next, let's talk about knowing your hoops. Hoop sizes and shapes are not all created equal, so we've planned a little exercise for you to do so that it makes it a breeze to find out what files will work for you.